Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to teach you the basics of Asana for project management. In this video, you'll learn how to view your tasks and sync them to your calendar, how to comment and leave feedback within the project, and how to share files in the project. So let's get started. So what is Asana and why do I use it? Asana is a project management software tool that allows all of your project communication to be housed in one area. I use it with my clients because it has a very intuitive user interface, so even without this tutorial, most people can figure out how to use it. I like using Asana because for me, it's very easy to set up tasks for my clients and tasks for myself and have an overarching view of the timeline of the project. My clients like using Asana because everyone on their team can stay informed, they know when deliverables are due from them, and they can see the extended time period of the project. When I invite my clients to Asana, they'll receive an email in which they're prompted to create their free account. After you create your account, you're going to log into your dashboard. So let's take a look at what that looks like for you. So when you first get started with Asana, this is the page that you'll be brought to. You'll be able to see a navigation menu on your left-hand side that lists out different key features that you can use, as well as the teams you're on and the projects you're assigned to on that team. Now let's take a look at My Tasks. You can click this to see the tasks that you're explicitly assigned to. You can also see their due dates as well. Clicking on Inbox shows you all the messages relating to the tasks that you have. You can choose to turn on or off email notifications for these different tasks. Clicking on Home shows you again any tasks that are due within the next 5 days and any projects that you're currently on. Now let's close this left-hand menu and explore the rest of the page. The board view shows you all the tasks and deliverables within a board view. I like to break mine out into phases of deliverables. So the first phase is discovery, then design, development, and then warranty. Each of the phase has all the tasks listed out, as well as who they're assigned to and their due dates. The calendar allows you to view the tasks in a calendar view if you're more comfortable with that. The Conversations tab is where any conversations relating to the project that aren't specific to a task will be shown. I will post project status updates in this section as well, and there's an email at the bottom where you can send project status updates yourself or any other important information about the project yourself to post here. Now the Files tab shows all the files that have been uploaded to the project. I'll explore this a little bit later in the video. I primarily use Google Drive, so these are all Google Drive files that you can interact with and update. As you can tell from the dashboard walkthrough, you really get to see your project from a high level. One of the things that I really like about Asana is the fact that you can sync your tasks to your preferred calendar. It's a great way to stay on track and never miss a due date. So let me show you how to set that up for yourself. You can sync the tasks to your preferred calendar. So instead of logging in and double checking when dates are due, you can see them automatically populate on your calendar. To do that, you simply click on the 3 dots up here. You go to Export/Print and then Sync to Calendar. A window will appear where you have different options on how to sync it to your Google Calendar or your iCal, Outlook, or another calendar. There are also explicit instructions at the bottom here if you wanted to export it with one of these others, but I will show you how to export this calendar with Google. So what you do is you just copy this link here, you make your way over to your Google Calendar, click on Add Calendar from URL, and then you just paste that URL in there. And then you can head back over to your calendar and you'll see the due dates for the items specifically in there. And then it's a link to Asana where you can find more information about that task or that deliverable. So it's super convenient and a great way to stay on track. Now that you got your tasks synced to your calendar, let's explore some ways that we can collaborate within Asana. Asana has a variety of communications tools, including commenting on tasks, the Conversations tab itself, and responding to email threads to post it into Asana. Let's explore this a little bit deeper, and I'll show you all the different ways that we can collaborate within Asana. You can have all the communications for your project within the project itself. So let's say there's some high-level things that you want to mention. You need to push back the timeline. More time. We need more time because our logo isn't done. You can write that, and it lets you know how many people will be notified. It will show you how many people are on the project, and each person will be notified since this is a general conversation for everything. You can hit post and then people can follow up, and you can also add followers to the project or the comment that you wrote. You can also send an email and have it post directly to this conversations tab by sending the email to the address at the bottom of your project right here. Another great way to have conversations is through the tasks here. So let's say you have something that is related specifically to this task. For an example, I wrote, "Hey Keisha, I need more time to get the files together." That's another thing as well. Or if you have a question, you can type it up here. You can write your comment and everybody who's following will be able to see this and get a notification for this. It's super easy to attach files and folders in Asana. Personally, I create a Google Drive folder for my clients so they can upload all their content there, but sometimes I know that people need to upload a specific file for a specific task. So let me show you how to do that in Asana. You simply click on your task and you click on this attachment icon, and you have a variety of options to choose from. As I mentioned earlier, I usually set up a Google Drive folder for my clients where they can easily add files from there. It'll show as an attachment each time somebody adds something new to the file. If it's a Google document or a Google Drive folder, it'll automatically update with the content from the file. And that's it. These are the basics of Asana. In this video, you learned how to view your tasks and sync them to your calendar, how to communicate within the project, and how to upload files directly to the project. If you like this video, please like and subscribe because I'll be posting a lot more tutorials and tips in the future. If you have any questions or any other feedback, please leave them in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a great afternoon.